Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discussion topic for the interpretation of binary logistic regression in OriginPro. How to analyze binary logistic regression in OriginPro? That video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. The continue part of the binary logistic regression in OriginPro, the interpretation section. Introduction. The binary logistic regression is a robust statistical method used to evaluate the relationship between a binary dependent variable and one or more independent variable. This method is essential for modeling dichotomous outcomes, providing insight into the likelihood of occurrence of an event as a functions of predictor variables. Logistic regression is widely applied in various fields such as medical research, ecology, and social science to analyze the risk factors and predict categorical outcome. The result of binary logistic regressions. The table 1 summarizes the logistic regression analysis evaluating the effect of age and gender on the binary outcome. The analysis included 25 observations. The table present for the parameter, coefficients, standard error, valid degrees of freedom, the t-value, p-value, the confidence interval. The interpret age gender also present in the table 1. So the confidence and odds ratio, the intercept was significant p is equal to 0.0447, which a coefficient of 5.26635, suggesting a baseline effect when all predictors are 0. The age had a significant negatively associated with the outcomes. Coefficients is equal to 0 minus 0.11833, p is equal to 0.01997, indicating that as age increase, the odds of the outcome decrease. OR is equal to 0.88841, the 95% of CI 0.80413 to 0.98152. The general M was not a significance predictor, p is equal to 0.24355, although the odds ratio OR is equal to 3.15467, the 95% of CI 0.44885 to 23.44524 suggests a potential but statistically insignificant increase in likelihood of the event. Table 1. The model fit and significance, the table not present for this sections. If you want this table, see on the before video for binary logistic regressions. The overall model fit was evaluated using the likelihood ratio test, yielding a high square value of 9.76366, p is equal to 0.00758, indicating that at least one predictor significance contribute to the model. The goodness of fit was associated using the Pearson high square 26.92232, p is equal to 0.21416, and deviations 24.53283, p is equal to 0.31993, test suggesting the model accurately fit the data. The Homser and the Lavenso test produce a high square of 6.02968, p is equal to 0.64391, further supporting the model fit. The classification accuracy, the model classifications 85.71% of positive case and 81.82% of negative case correlately, the yielding an overall accuracy of 84%. The table 2, the Covariance matrix, the intercept age general may, and table 3 present for the correlation matrix also present in the table 3. The covariance and correlations analysis for the table 2 and table 3. In the section, the covariance matrix table 2 the highlights the relationship between the intercept age and gender. A negative covariance between age and intercept minus 0.12827 suggesting an inverse the relationship, while the covariance between the gender and age minus 0.050087 indicate the minimal associations. The correlation matrix table 3 show a strong negative correlation between the intercept and age minus 0.96153, reinforcing the significance effect of age on the outcome. The gender and age demonstrated a weak correlations minus 0.15111, suggesting the limited interactions. The figure present for the interpretation of normal probability plot of residual binary logistic regressions. The normal probability plot of residuals show that the residual point align the closely along the reference line, indicating that the residual follow an approximately normally distributions, thus suggesting that the model's assumptions regarding the distributions of residual hold true, the reflecting that the logistic regressions model fit of the data well. The lack of significant deviations from the reference line confirm the absence of major outlier or sickness, the further supporting the adequacy and reliability of the model in predicting the binary outcome. The interpretation of the histogram of residual binary logistic regressions. The histogram of the residual show a regularly systematic and well-shaped distributions centered around the zero. This indicates that the residual are evenly distributed, suggesting that the model does not systematically overestimate or underestimate predictions. The absence of the extreme outlier and the concentrations of residual near zero further imply that the logistic regressions model fit the data reasonably well. Any side deviations from the normally would reflect the minor model implications, but overall the histogram support the assumptions that the residual are approximately distributed, reflecting the widely of the model. So the next one graph for the interpretation of residual with order of the data binary logistic regressions in OriginPro. The scatter plot displayed the residual plotted aligned the order of the data points. The points appear randomly scattered around the zero within no visible patterns or the trend. This randomness suggesting that the residual are independent and do not exhibit autocorrelations, which is an desirable characteristic for the well-fitted model. The absence of systematic patterns or clustering reinforce that the model's assumptions about the error term are widely. Any visible patterns or non-random structures must indicate potential model misspecifications or omit variables. However, in this case, the plot support the approximation of the logistic regressions model. The last one of the conclusion in interpretation of binary logistic regression in OriginPro. The binary logistic regressions analysis demonstrated that age significantly influenced the likelihood of the binary outcome, with increased age reducing the odds of the even occurrence. Gender will not statistically significant showed a potential trend that may warrant further exploration with a large sample size. The model exhibited strong overall fit as indicating by the likelihood ratio test and goodness of fit measure, and achieved highly classifications accuracy. The residual diagnostics, including the histogram normal probability plot and residual order plot, confirmed that the model's residual are approximately normally randomly distributed and free from systematic patterns or outlier. Those results suggest that the logistic regression model is robust, reliable, and suitable for the predicting the binary outcome based on the given predictors. This is for the interpretation of binary logistic regression in OriginPro. If you any doubt for the interpretation section in binary logistic regressions, leave me comments for the comment box. I will reply to you. If you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video, and additional detail published for the binary logic regression in our Blacker page. The Blacker link also mentioned to the this video description box. Please visit our Blacker and support to for our Blacker page.